So hello students, today we are going to do Composite Mathematics class 8. Our lesson is Algebraic Expression and Special Product. So today we are going to do exercise 5D. Now I have done some of the exercise. So if you want to see, then you can go to my YouTube link and you can see. And one thing I want to say, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification. Thank you. Question number 5D is given. So what we will do you see. So first of all, we will divide. So it is x power 5 divided by x power 3. So first of all we will divide. So it is x power 5. So you can write x power 5. This is also a divide sign. So you can write x power 3. Now you remember or not, see in exponent we got a formula that a power m divided by a power n, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. That means m and n should be subtracted. Okay. So this formula you know very well. That means this and this will be subtracted. So it will be x power 5 minus 3, which is equal to x power 2. So it is completed. You remember this formula. This is a very important formula and it will be used throughout the question. Next this one, simply you can do a power 9 minus 4, which is equal to a power 5. Very easy. Now you see here no power is given. If no power is given, then we should understand that this has power 1. So it will be x power 3 minus 1, which is equal to x power 2. Now this one you see, you divide separately. So it is a power 3 minus 2 into b power 4 minus, here you know already that if power is not given, then we should understand that there is power 1. So it will be a power 1 into b power 3, which is equal to ab3. Next you see this one. So it is given that a power 3 b power 7 divided by a power 4 b power 6. So you know very well that if division sign is given, then we have to what? We have to do? We have to subtract. So I will write the formula here, that a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. You always remember this formula. It is very important formula, exponents. So remember, it will be used throughout the question. Okay. So you see, so it is a power 3 minus 4 into b power 7 minus 6. Now it is a power minus 1 into b power 7 minus 1 is 1. So you see minus 1, that means it will be reciprocal. Minus 1 means reciprocal. See another formula is there. You remember this formula, all exponents formula will be used here. So you see a power minus 1, we can write 1 by a. Yes. So this is the formula. Similarly, a power minus 2 can be written as 1 by a square. This is also a formula. Okay. In this way, e power minus 3, a power minus 4, you can do reciprocal and write the formula. So this one you see, we will do reciprocal, so it will be b by a. Okay. Next you see, it is 54 x power 4 into y power 5 divided by 6 x square y 3. So number will be divided with number. See what I told, number will be divided with number, x will be divided with x. So but here you see, we know that it will be subtracted. So I will subtract, and y, it is 5 minus 3. Okay. This method is equal. So you divide 6 9 are 54. So it is 9. Then x square and y power y square. So easy only. Number 8 you see. So number will be divided with number. So 84 by 12. Now this will be divided with a. So 2 minus 2, and b will be divided with b. So since it is divided, then what will happen? It will be subtracted. Okay. So it will be C 12 7 is 84, a power 0, b power 3. Now a power 0 is 1. So 7 into 1 into b 3. So it is 7b 3. So we have completed question number 1. Now we will go for question number 2. So hello students, now we have question number 2. So we will do question number 2. See what given. that 8x plus 4 divided by 2. So it is asked to divide. So in place of by we will write divide sign. So 8x plus 4 divided. Now you see which is divided by 2, 4 or 8x. So we know that whole part is divided by 2. That is why we have to make it whole. That means we have to put bracket. Now you know very well that we can write like this also, 8x by 4 divided by 2. Here you see common is coming out. So what common is coming out? How we will take out common? So you see 8x can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into x, okay, and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So what common you will take out? You see 2 and 2. Now 2 is how much? 4. Yes, 4 you can take out. So you can take out 4. So here what will remaining? 2x. So here you will write 2x plus what will be remaining here? Nothing, means 1, and divided by 2. Now you can divide easily 2. It is 2x plus 1. When you multiply it is 4x plus 1. So this is your answer. Okay. Next you see this one, what you can write? So it is 6y minus 3. So what common is coming out? You see, you can easily find out. See here 3 2s are, and here 3 1s are. So 3 common coming out. So you can write we can write 2y minus what will be left here? 1 by 3. 3 cancel, it will be 2y minus 1. So this is answer. Next you see, now what common is coming out you can find out. So it is 12y square. So you can write 2 into 3 into y, and this is 36. So 36 you can write 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 3 are 36. Now you see what common is coming out. So you see 2 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common. That means when you multiply 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12. That means 12 is common here. So I will take out here 12, and what will be remaining? You see y into 4. Okay. So the y into y, that means y square will be remaining, plus here what will be remaining? Only 3. Now divided by minus 4. Now you know very well that when minus 4 is divided by 12, so 4 3s are, so it is 3. That means 3 y square plus you multiply, then it is 9. This is your answer. Next part you see here 40x minus 30 is given. So what common you can take out? See here minus, and minus is also here. If I take out minus common, it will be left with, I have taken this minus out and this minus also out. Okay, if you don't understand, then you can do here also. You see, I will do here. It is minus 40x. So minus 40x I can write. It is minus 40x, which I can write minus 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 5 the 40 into x. And the next is minus 10. So minus 10 I can write minus 2 into 5. So common is coming out minus 2 and 5. Okay. So minus 2 into 5, it is minus 10. That means minus 10 is coming out common. So we will take out minus 10 as a common. Okay. Now what will be remaining in this two part? You see in 40x what is remaining? So it is remaining 2 into 2 into x, means 4 into x. So 4x, it is 4x. Now it will be plus sign or minus sign. So you see here we have already taken out minus sign. So minus sign is left or what? No minus sign. So it will be plus. Now how much you will write? So sorry, it is not 10, it is 30 given. I have written 10. So it is 30, then 2 into 5 into 3. 2 5 are 10, 10 3 are 30. So it will be 3. So plus 3, now divided by minus 10. So minus 10 cancel, it will be 4x plus 3. This is our answer. Now what I will do here? You see it is x3 having. So x3, that means x3 means x into x into x, and x2 means x into x. What common coming? Xx means x square is coming common. So take out x square. So x square taken. So x minus, how much will be left? Here nothing is left. That means 1 is left by x. Okay. Now you see here x square means 2x having. So you can cancel out 1x, 1x cancel, it is x minus 1. Next you see this one. So it is 5c minus c. So 5c square, we can write 5 into c, and minus c, we can write it as minus 1 into c. Okay, so what common is coming out? So it is c. So we will take out c common. So it will be left with minus, it will be left at 5c, then minus 1. Okay, so divided by minus c. Okay, so c cancel, it will be left out with 5c minus 1 by minus 1. So you take the minus 1 in numerator, so it will be minus 1, 5c minus 1, then multiply. So minus 1 into 5c is minus 5c, minus is plus 1. So this is our answer. So we have done question number 2. Okay, few questions are left, I am doing. Okay, see student, now we are going to do question number 9. So question number 9 is given here. So I will first write this in numerator and this in denominator. So it will be 9x square y square plus 3x square y minus 6x y square by 3xy. So first of all, we have to take out common from this part. So how we will find out common? You see, I am showing. So first is 9x square y square, x square y square, which you can write 3 into x into y into y. The next part is 3x square y. So 3x square y, you can write 3 into x into y. Next part is 6xy square. So 6xy square. So you can write as 2 into 3 into x into y. So you see in this 3 part, what is common coming out? So first of all, you see that 3 is common. Then next we see that x is common. Next we see y is common. Okay, so you can take out 3xy as a common in these 3 terms. So we will take out 3xy as common. Now what will be remaining in these 3 terms? So it will be plus and it will be minus. So here you see what will be remaining. So you see here what remaining, 3 into x into y, that means 3xy. So it will be 3xy. What will be remaining here? You see what is remaining here? Nothing is remaining here. Sorry. Okay, only x is remaining. So it is x. Again in here what is remaining? You see 2 and y. So it is 2y. So 2y. Now it will be divided by 3xy. You know this and this is same. So they will be, we can cut. So it will be left with 3xy plus x minus 2y. So this will be our answer. Next part we are going to do this one. You see it is 6a square b square minus 3abc plus 9abd. Okay, it is d only given. Okay, now it is divided by minus 1 by 3 ab. Now you see this is in fraction, so this 3 will move up. So it will be minus, you can take minus also, minus 3, it will be 6a square b square minus 3abc plus 9abd by ab. Now you see in this 3 term you can take out ab as common. So here ab, here ab, here ab. So I will take out ab as common and it is minus 3ab it will become. So now multiply, it will be left with 6ab minus 3c plus 9d by ab. So ab and ab are cancelled. It is minus 3, 6ab minus 3c plus 9d will be left. Okay, now multiply this one. So it will be minus 6 3 is 18 ab minus into minus is plus 9c minus 9 3 is 27 D. So this is our final answer. Okay.